In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a project to Asana using Google Sheets. Whether you're a project manager or a team member, transferring your project plan from Google Sheets to Asana can streamline your workflow and keep everyone on the same page. So, let's dive into it. First, let's head over to the Asana website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Asana. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a plus icon. This is your gateway to creating new tasks or projects. Go ahead and click on it. Now from the drop-down menu, choose New Project. This action will direct you to a fresh page where you'll have several options to kickstart a new project. But since you're interested in importing data from Google Sheets, you'll want to select the Import option. Importing allows Asana to recognize the structure of your Google Sheets file and convert it into a format that Asana can utilize effectively. Upon selecting Import, you'll see a field to enter your project name. Choose a name that is relevant and easily identifiable by your team members, as this will be the label under which all the tasks from your Google Sheet will reside. Next, click on Select File to Import. This button will open a dialog box prompting you to choose the specific Google Sheets file that contains the data you want to import into Asana. Go ahead and select that file. With your file selected, click on Continue with Asana AI. Asana's AI will help facilitate the importation process. Then, click Continue one more time to ensure that the AI finishes processing your request. Now you're ready to click on Create Project. This step will finalize the importation, creating a new project in Asana populated with the tasks detailed in your Google Sheet. Each row in your spreadsheet will become a task in the Asana project, making it easy to track and manage. Once your project is created, it's important to share it with the relevant team members. You'll see a Share button, so click on that. Then choose Copy Project Link. This link is the direct URL to your newly created project in Asana. Finally, head back over to your Google Sheet and paste the project link. This keeps a reference within your spreadsheet of where you can access the project, ensuring that anyone looking at the Google Sheet knows where to find its Asana counterpart. Congratulations! You've successfully imported your project from Google Sheets to Asana. Your team is now better equipped to collaborate efficiently with all tasks organized in one centralized location. Thanks for joining in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you in the next video.